Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having just a single news into the market today, that is at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing because the market can be really volatile and it could be hard to trade into the smaller time frames. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that the price is moving into the downward direction, and we are having this unmitigated FVG into the monthly levels. So I'm anticipating that this low will be vulnerable for the price, and we are going to take this low. So let's move into the weeklies to build our narrative according to this monthly bias. Now that we are into the weekly, we can see that this was the monthly FVG, and this low we are having will be a weak low for the price, and I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to move below this low. So let's move to the dailies now to see what do we have in here. Moving to the dailies, what do we have is that the price is giving some kind of a slowdown signal, and we are having this FVG because we are not having any kind of FVG in between. So if the price is going to move into the further upside direction, this is going to be the resistance. Till now, this is the target. As we move into the 4 hours, we can see that this is the closest FVG from this liquidity area. And apart from that, there is no any unmitigated FVG or FVG made into the price action right now. So if the price moves into the upside direction, most likely we are going to move all the way up here, and then we are going to see a possible response. So let's move to the 1 hours to see what do we have in here. Now that we are into the 1 hour, we can clearly see that the price had taken the high of the London yesterday and moved into the downward direction with a strong bearish momentum. So I'm anticipating that the price is going to react from this area only. That is, the Asia high will be the strong high, and it won't be violated till we reach here. So let's move to the 30 minutes to see what do we have in here. Now that we are into the 30 minutes, what we can see is that the price is reluctant to go into the either direction because we are not making any strong FVGs. But though the price was having this FVG, and currently we are moving from this order block, and there can be two scenarios that either we respond below this range. And why am I considering this? Because we are having this FVG into the market. We are having this unmitigated wick into the market, and this could be the last point from where the price can react to. That means if in London session we are going to take the Asia high, most likely we can react to this unmitigated wick and then possibly go into the downward direction. Else not, we can possibly take the 50% of the Asia. That is, let's move to the 15 minutes. So most likely we can react to the 50% of Asia, and then we are going to move towards this monthly level FVG. So for today's buyers, I'm anticipating that the price is not going to close above this candle, and most likely we are going to react from the Asia 50% or this wick and then move into the downward direction. Else, if we close above this candle, the ultimate bias will be bullish and we will be targeting till this level. So this will be the invalidation zone for the bearish phase right now. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments if you have any doubts regarding any concept, and the form link is still in the description. Don't forget to fill it for the mentorship. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.